What's up, everybody? My name's Big Cat, and today on Playing with Plastic, we are looking at the I can't do this. I can't get it right. What's up, everybody? My name's Big Cat, and today we're looking at the Good Smile Company Moderoid Model Kit Cain from Robocop 2. How many names does it have? I don't know. Has quite a bit. These things are getting harder and harder. Sometimes the mess goes hard. This one's pretty hard. Okay. Good Smile Company. Robocop 2 Plastic Model Kit of Cain. Moderoid's in there somewhere. We'll fit it in. I hope you guys enjoy, because I enjoyed making this. Not posing it so much, but I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe. And here is today's video. Let's go. I'm just gonna unbox it for everyone. And then I'm gonna go like this. And it's gonna be there. I'm gonna build it here. And then put it in and click my fingers. And it should be here. Bam! Look at this beautiful, beautiful son of a bitch. Jesus had days like this. Cain, drug lord and crime boss of the fanatical Nuke cult. Violently insane, hopelessly addicted to Nuke. With godlike delusions, Cain was an unpredictable and dangerous foe with a capable and loyal following. After his death, his brain was inserted into the cyborg Robocop 2. In my opinion, Robocop 2 is one of the most underrated sequels of all time. It has the best stop motion animation ever put to film. And this monstrosity is beautiful. So right off the bat, I took most of the runners for this guy and I sprayed them with Chaos Black from Citadel. Then I took a matte clear coat, did a shot of that, and then slowly, runner by runner, I took silver paint and did 2 coats with a clear coat in between each. It's the most work I've ever put into a model, and there's certain limitations to it that I'll get into later, but this was a fun build. He's finished. I just got to do a bit of a wash, a little bit more color separation. Here, these are supposed to be lighter. This is more of a gunmetal. Oh, super happy. I don't know if you hear it in my voice, but I'm happy, goddammit. So let's zoom in here. Let's zoom in, and we will take a look. Let's fix things up. There we go. Let's get my pointer stick. I need a pointing stick, goddammit. All right. It is such a badass robot. You got the shoulder cannon. You have all 4 of his arms. You got the nuclear sign right there, or hazardous waste. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But this is nuclear, right? Nuclear? Hazardous materials? I don't know. It's a hazard of some sort. Not biohazard, because they're like pointy, but it's a hazard. That's where the nuke would go in. Deep, deep, right there. Gorgeous. Ooh, a little shaky there. Went down to his another sticker there. These are stickers. Gorgeous. Let's detach and get in here. I got to do a bit of black here and there. Like I said, but this is 2 coats of silver and a little bit of gunmetal in certain places. These, did I burp there? I don't know. These, pain in the ass to do. I highly suggest doing these while you're building, but even then they suck. I have had another model kit. Oh, yeah, look at this. I've had another model kit from Good Smile Company, the Aliens Power Loader, and boom, that the tubes on that are ridiculous. Like this was nothing, but it's still a fucking pain in the ass. But yeah, Good Smile Company, get your shit together when it comes to these tubes because it is not fun, man. Use maybe a softer rubber, softer plastic, whatever the hell they are. But yeah, they suck. All right, that was kind of details. Oh, did we see the back? There we go. Let's get the back in here. Doesn't skip a back day, that's for sure. All right, I'm gonna kind of get into articulation. I might just point to it and show what it does instead of actually doing it because it's a model kit after all. This is the most action figure like model kit I have ever done personally. Like the final result is solid. I do have to um, glue the pistons here because they pop out. I just wanted to get most of it done and secure and see afterwards where because I don't always test fit. Don't just put things together and glue it right away. You want to leave things open a little bit for yourself. So let's get on to articulation here. Articulation at the top. The head is quite a bit. It's a ball joint, a ball peg that goes in. Really nice range on here. Um, Going down to the shoulders here. This is a little awkward for me, but this moves. His 2 arms move together, and then each one. It's a little tough because I painted, but fuck. Oh, yeah, that's why I didn't want to show articulation. I might. Hey, god damn it. There. Okay. So, arm moves here. Full 360 if you want. His little arm too moves. Can do a full 360 because it hits the top arm. Come on. Uh, One of my gripes with this figure, this doesn't move. I mean, it would have been easy to have these two as sliders going in and out so he could have his, his iconic battering arm or whatever the hell it was called. But yeah, it would be nice if that moved. I had the Hiya toys. It's like 1/18th scale or whatever. I don't know. I didn't like the scale of it. That's why I decided to get this Good Smile model. But it's little things like that. I think the Hiya toys moved in and out. This one does not, but it's still cool as shit. This arm moves. There's a separate. There's another hand for this arm. A closed grab. Closed one. He's got his minigun here. I don't know why I'm doing details. I'm doing articulation. But yeah, this other arm does the same thing. This one moves the same as this. They both move out. And I wish, another thing, is that there was a bit more of a bend here, like an elbow. Because in the movie he's able to like kind of have like a 90, not a 90 degree, but like, you know what I mean? This one doesn't. So whenever you're pointing the gun, it's got to be straight on. So yeah, that's another thing. Oh man. Cool thing about this. Okay, so we'll do this arm because that arm doesn't do much. Oh my God, I'm all over the place. Elbow bends there. You gotta twist here. The hands come out. All right. I'm not doing this. Just know that the articulation is fucking sweet on this. Okay. So I'm not going to show all the articulation because it's painted and everything and they don't move freely, but uh like I mentioned before, this is the most action figure like of any model kit I've ever done. He's got ratchets. Okay. Got swivel at the waist here a little bit. You got to be careful because the pipes, not the pipes, the tubes. But listen, he's got a ratchet here and a ratchet going out. That is badass. His toes look, go up. They actually come out like in the movie. That's cool. It was cool as all hell. So yeah, you can get him into a lot of great poses. Yeah, there's ratchets at the knees. Ankle rocker, pivot. Toes don't go up and down. They do go down like that, like I showed. These arms twist and turn. They fold back up. This is like, let's see if I can get him into kind of a, like, boom, right there. Oh no, not again. They're all falling apart. Fucking tube. Anyways, like I said, I'm not. Oh, this is going to be a rough one for articulation. Rough. All right, next up, we are going to do some comparisons. I am still out of breath from that articulation kerfuffle, but I'm going to power through. All right. Here is NECA's Ed 209. I got the reissue. So that looks nice. I like that. That big dumb Ed 209. Flailing like a baby. Yeah, that looks good. So that's Ed 209 and Robocop 2. Right there. Let's get old Eddie boy out the fucking thing. Next, I got NECA's Ultimate Robocop. There we go. From the first movie. Second movie, he is more bluish. I got a purple light on here, so it might make him look a little blue, but he is silver. He's a silver fox over here. This silver foxy fox of a robot. There we go. Looking good. You know, you can even grab Robo, throw him on his back, like in the movie. You know, do all that crap. I like that. Next, we have him next to, I think, the entry grade Gundam RX 78-2, I think, or 72-8. Let me know in the comments. But got this tiny little dude. Thinking of picking up the Master Grade version 3.0. But that'll show you what it's like next to 144 scale Gundams. Here is a Governor from Hexagears, little tiny dude. I think they're 135th. I don't know. They're super tiny. I like Hexagears. I got the V Thor, which is badass. But I wanted to show him next to Robocop 2, just to show you. I don't know why. But yeah, there we go. A Governor from Hexagears. What do we got next? Since I am doing a review for this guy. Here he is, next to a Mezco 112 Collective Cable. Looking good. With his mayonnaise hair. What else do we got? What do we got? Silver Centurion. You fucker. Silver Centurion Iron Man from Marvel Select. Whoop. So I had mentioned Hexagear with the Governor, and I figured why not pull out the V Thor. That is a super duper badass model kit right there. That's one of my favorites. Sick. These little Governors. He goes inside there if I wanted to drive myself nuts and fit him in there, but he goes in there, so that's cool as shit. So that's it. That's it for comparisons. V Thor, Robocop 2 from the Good Smile Company. Final verdict up next. Alright, and that is it for our look at Good Smile Company's Robocop 2 Cain. And goddamn, I'm in love with this fucking model kit. Excuse my language, but I love it. I love the character design of Robocop 2. I love that movie, and I highly suggest, if you have not seen Robocop 2, give it a chance. To me, it doesn't have the same kind of bite as the first Robocop. There's a bit more gore in that. But I mean, it is violent as all hell. And I find it's darker in a way. It kind of has a bit of a darkness to it. And yeah. Oh, shout out to Irvin Kershner, my boy. He did the best Star Wars sequel, Empire Strikes Back. And look at this, another fantastic sequel from that director. So Robocop 2, check it out. As for my score for this guy, model kits are different. I don't know if I'm going to do a 5-point scale. There's a couple things I think they could have done better with regards to maybe a bit more of a gimmick for the battering ram rail that he has for an arm to go in and out. Articulation could have been a bit better overall on that arm, but as for the rest, oh, your freaking wires. Okay, screw you, Good Smile Company, for your wires. But I am so in love with this that I don't even care. I'm giving it like a 4.75. It's taken away a 0.25 rating just for those little bullshit things. But, you know, I love this guy. 4.75. It ain't an action figure. But you know what? It's close enough. So, please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for all your plastic needs. This has been Big Cat. I'll check you guys out next time. Take it easy.